Hello, every golden egg. Welcome back to the Golden Nest. I was just sitting in front of a table when I thought of this crazy idea. I want to do this sound challenge. Okay, so my kind of sound challenge, because there's so many sound challenges out there, I'm going to make a sound by myself, and you have to guess the sound, and I'm probably going to give you like 10 seconds, and I'm going to count out loud, of course. And after I'm done counting, I'm going to tell you what it is. Obviously, I'm going to start with things that actually make sense making sound for. Like maybe a couple ideas I'll give you. Like I will maybe fidget with a cereal box, like pour it in a bowl. Everybody, well, not everybody, but some of us know that sound. And maybe one of them will be like maybe water running, and I'm not going to do those two things because I already told you what it is, so I'm not going to do it. But that's how it's going to be. I'm going to make a sounds that are common, that make sense, that is kind of easy to guess, and maybe later on I'll start with harder ones. But for now, I'm going to do like common household sounds, and you have to guess it, and I'll give you 10 seconds, maybe later, and some of them will be 5 seconds, so that you can really work your brain. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, and make sure you keep up with how much you got right, and maybe put it in the comments how much you got right. All right, here's the first one. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Door closing. Now, you don't have to know exactly what door it is, but it's the door closing. That's what it was. So if you got it right, hooray to you. All right, next one. What was that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was a cabinet. Maybe it may have sounded like a door, and I apologize if it did, but that is a cabinet. All right, here's number 3. All right, here we go. What could that have been? Even though it wasn't working, what do you think it might have been? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't laugh at me. It was a non-working ice machine, so I guess I'm not having any ice water today. Okay, number 4. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was a microwave. All right, number 5. Okay, let's see how we do on this one. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a washer door. It was a washer door closing. Maybe we don't have the same one, but that is what mine sounds like. Okay, number 6. Okay, hopefully my English is better this time. Okay, so surprisingly, a lot of houses have this, but 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a piano. Well, keyboard. I have a keyboard, not a piano. But, that's not how I actually sound playing my piano. I know how to play the piano. Okay, number 7. Okay, this one's a little bit crazy, and I couldn't resist doing this one, so I'm gonna do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's soda. Or, as some of us may call it, it's pop. I like that one too. Now, number 8. Let's see if you can guess this one. This one might be a little bit hard, but let me grab it. Okay. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is spray, perfume. Now, yes, it was an aerosol can, but it was perfume. I know that Lysol and stuff can come in it too. But, okay, so let's do number 9. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was actually a light switch. Okay, for number 10, if you have a kid, you might know exactly what this sound is. But, a lot of people do it. So, even if you don't have a kid who loves this thingy-majigger I'm about to make a sound with, I hope it's not hard to figure it out. Okay, ready? It's one of my favorites. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legos. Everybody loves those, right? Right? Okay, that is the end of this sound challenge video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please excuse me for my mixed up gibberish English that I had in one of those. I hope you enjoyed all the sounds. Thank you for watching and playing along with me. Yours truly, the Golden Sound. The Golden Nest.